Well, this is part 3, tearing out the damaged lift gate. I got lucky because this one was so rusted that all I had to do was pry it up under here and get a tin snip started, and tin snipped up that side, and tin snipped up that side. Then I got a pry bar under it, started peeling it up. Then once I got it pried up enough, I could get a pry bar in there. Put it in underneath there. And pry it up with the pry bar and release the hatch. And once I got that open, then I could see what the damage is to the body tub, which is, it's only bent up that much. So with a new tail light, and a new lift gate, it's only going to cost me $90 to fix this Jeep. Plus the insurance money means that my wife got this Jeep for free. And the bumper got goofed up a little bit, but I can bend that back.